Hey, hope you're having a great week so far. We're going to get right into the update. Talk about safety first for February. We had our lowest DOT preventable accident count in the last 3 years, so thank you very much. Also had our best work-related injuries per month for February in the last 3 years, so hats off. Appreciate the focus on safety. And also want to tell you thank you again on CSA. We had our best hours of service month we've had in a long time, so thanks for that. Now for a safety update for March. We did start off with March with an uptick in DOT preventable accidents, so they were not weather related, so that tells us let's slow down, let's be careful, let's make sure we know what we're doing, and we're being safe. Also on CSA again, continued positive improvements in hours of service, so thanks for that. Now we're going to talk about speed. We do need to watch our speed. Let's make sure we're taking care of speed, make sure we're proper speed in the zone we're in, and also want to make sure that you get your safe productivity bonus because March is here, the quarter's going to round out, and don't want a speeding violation to knock you out of your bonus potential. So let's just slow down and do the right things. Move over to freight. Freight in February, we honestly had one of our most productive months that we've had in the last 6 for February. February is a shorter month, but we still had a great month. Miles per day and annualized miles were up for both Crete and Schaefer. And year over year, we did rather well from the previous year, so it's great. Also saw improvements in deadhead and customer service, so thank you very much. Our customers appreciate more on-time deliveries. Now we move over to March. Start off with March. We do see some soft spots throughout the country, some in the southeast, a little bit on the west coast, but our sales team is very optimistic, and we know we're going to pull through and we'll get enough freight booked and keep everybody moving. We are what we call bid season, so most of our major shippers, we're right in the heart of that, working on renewing all our high quality of freight, so our team's working diligently during bid season. We did, however, just add 3 brand new accounts. Great long-term family-owned businesses that are going to benefit all of our drivers, so excited for that. Our sales team spent the entire week down at food shippers, met with a lot of our key accounts, and there's one static thing that we hear over and over from our meetings with our customers is that Crete Schaefer has high quality drivers. So hats off to you representing our company well and being professionals out there, so thank you for that. Update for you, the federal or the February total comp statements, they are now posted, available to you in the app, so please go out there and grab those and take a look. And then I want to move on to maintenance. Talked with our maintenance team earlier this week and just wanted to give you some maintenance updates. We have added 11 more technicians year to date throughout our system, so that's very positive. And also wanted to update you on throughput for our shops. Our shop throughput is up over 14% month over month. And also at the same time, our over-the-road road call events are down 11% per month. So, hats off. Thank you for bringing your equipment into our shops. The advantages of that versus a road call are simply that you get better quality inspections, you have higher quality maintenance repairs, and overall you have a lot less downtime. So really for that, thank you for bringing your equipment into the shops. And just want to finish off with thank you for everything you do and have a safe week.